everybody, this is Andrea here, and we are off to a whole new jewelry bag unbagging. This I got from shopgoodwill.com, and it is 25 pounds fashion jewelry variety. I paid $84 for it, $17.60 shipping, $2 handling, and a total of $103.60. So pretty high for 25 pounds. Actually, it's pretty low because currently they're going for like 171 right now. So I guess I got lucky, right? Okay, so let's get this pulled to the side. I can pull it over and pull a piece out at a time. It is heavy. We'll just, it's pretty tangled. Put some up here. Phew. Okay. See if we can get it out a little bit at a time. It is really tangled. Well, this was a heart necklace. The clasp came off, but I can fix that with a new clasp. It's not marked with anything. Some of this I might have to cut. Let's cut it up. The earring. Oh, this is a broken bracelet. That was pretty. It's broken. What's this? It's a bracelet. Big old bauble. Quite faded. But maybe someone can do something with this bauble. This is a peace sign with an R on a silk rope. Could be a bookmark. Yeah, I believe that's a bookmark. That's cute. Cut this thing off here. That's a beautiful necklace. It's all acrylic beads. Very long. Made by T. Marked with a T. Very pretty. Okay, we're back. Sorry for the interruption. Let's go ahead and finish up. We did untangle. We have a few bracelets here. This one's really pretty. It's made by Claire's. It's a pretty bracelet. This one, not my favorite material. Kind of filthy. Sure someone else can do something with that. This is really pretty. It's magnetic, very strong. I love the belt look. That goes to my sister. This one is Texas Tech. It's missing some rhinestones. It's cute. This one is extremely heavy, but so pretty with all the little crystals. It's got glass crystals on here, but they are so pretty. It's a stretchy bracelet. Very pretty. It's another bracelet made with pearls and plastic crystals. Just a bangle. It's an interesting bow bangle. I think it's for like a little person. It's got a nice little extender on there. It's pretty. A broken bangle and a beaded bangle, or a beaded bracelet. This one is gorgeous. It's made in India. Look at the flower on there. The gold detail. Very, very pretty. Gorgeous. This is really different. It's very heavy. They have these huge flower balls, gold tone. Got a fleur-de-lis choker. That's pretty. Multi-strand pearl necklace. That's beautiful. I like that. Really good condition. It's a gunmetal black necklace. Little pearls at the end. Pretty beaded silver tone multi-strand necklace. This is made by Liz Claiborne. That's pretty. Leah Sophia. This is really pretty. I don't like the leather band, but there's other people who do. That's pretty. This one's real heavy. Glass pearl necklace. They're knotted in between. That's nice. This is one of those memory wire necklaces. These are all acrylic beads. Nice big bauble. It's pretty on both sides. I like both sides there. On a leather cord. Leah Sophia. There's two of hers. This is really pretty. No marking, but that's really pretty. It's a gold and silver tone. There's another one. almost like it. It's pretty. It's a candy corn earring. It's an angel necklace. Pretty. No markings. Very pretty though. An owl necklace, silver tone. Rhinestones for the eyes. Very cute. This is different, couple of tassels. The necklace is quite faded, so it got worn quite a bit. It was well loved. This one is really pretty. Let's see, is there a maker? Don't know who made that. Very pretty. Very, very cute. I like that. The gold tone necklace with a tassel at the end. No maker. This is one of those braided chains. It's got rhinestones on it as well. Who made this one? Aldo made that. Okay. Another owl. Very cute. We have a pair of sterling silver earrings. Look handmade. They're really cute. With sterling ear wires. Very pretty. Hang on to those. We have a butterfly pin. Cute. This is a fabric bracelet with rhinestones. Is it open? There we go. It's pretty. A leather bracelet with a scarab. A yellow bangle. Purple Eiffel Tower bracelet. This one's different. It's a cuff bracelet. It was marked for $4.88. And just says made in China. What does it say under here? Loft. It's made by Loft. Cute. It's a tassel bracelet, stretchy. It's pretty. This is a multi-chain necklace, circles, silver tone, so cute. I think these necklaces are so adorable. A couple of necklaces, yeah. It's a beaded one on a chain. This is really pretty. These are acrylic beads. This is pretty. Dainty. Blue and AB rhinestones. Made by Leah Sophia. It's very dainty and pretty. a bauble here. It's not marked. It looks like it went inside of a chain, or a chain went inside of it. It's pretty heavy. It's a brooch, little flower, like a windmill. It's very cute. Beautiful green bracelet, also known as peridot. Very, very pretty. Not real peridot, but pretty. Put that with our bracelets. The green ribbon necklace. Gorgeous color of green. It's a beautiful cross. Nice chain. This is different. It's pretty. Here's another ribbon necklace. This one's blue. Cobalt blue. I love the color blue in here. It's gorgeous. This is really pretty. Very sophisticated. I don't see any marks on it. It's not made by anyone in particular, but it is very, very nice. It's a beaded bracelet. Kind of matches that one necklace we just saw. Here it is. Yep, matches perfect. Cute little matching set. Beautiful flower necklace. Very pretty. It's very dainty. No markings. Very pretty though. Another necklace. Long hearts, gold tones. Kind of faded. Little Halloween bracelet. So cute. Another bangle. This is really pretty. Stretch bracelet, crystals. Oh, I love it. It's gorgeous. Very, very pretty. It's too big to be a bracelet, so I'm gonna say this is an anklet. Very humongous. And then another anklet. Very pretty. Again, humongous. And a stretch bracelet. And that's it, guys. That's the last of this bag. We will start a new bag soon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a great one. Bye.